Yes, good morning. Yes, how was your weekend? You know, last week was Valentine. How was your Valentine? How was that break? Mangapa ni big break. Okay, let's come back to class. Today we are going to learn about reproduction. About reproduction. Who can start divine reproduction? Yes, Dangulu, what's reproduction?
Reproduction fact, it is the way of an hen how to lay eggs.
Jana, are you normal? Anacheka nini kijana?
Pombe nimeacha lakini
okay, bado niambie machapu zako nikisikia. Taendelea tu. Okay, let's continue. Yeah, what's reproduction?
Production is when a producer repeats those musics.
I know on the weekend we go out club, but I'm gonna share. Let's do this. Today is 15. What's the mama here? You're done. It doesn't matter. Why are you making noise? One. Rather than you come down again. I see you. Why are you talking? Why do I want to say that? Nacheka. Why are you laughing? You want to say? Monday.
Yeah.
Which Monday? Wapi? Mimi nilikuwa napepa simini.
Ndio.
Wapi?
Wacha kunitanganya.
Uliona mimi nipepa simini kijana?
Tulipepa simini kwa kana vinu kwa chini kwa JB.
Mimi God have mercy upon us. Kijana, are you normal? What the minute? Are you normal? Kitu.